In onCourse, courses are the foundation of all the classes you plan on offering. So let's go over the basics of creating a course in onCourse, with the goal being to get it appearing on your onCourse website. From the navigation menu, go to Education, then Courses. Click the plus button to create a new course. First, set the course code. The course code can be anything you'd like, though I'd recommend you keep it relatively short and simple just to make it easier to search for in the future. Next, give your course a name. Keep it easy to understand and concise. I'll explain why in a second. Next, under the marketing heading, you'll see a web description field. Type in a detailed course description here. Both your course name and its web description will display prominently on your website, so it's important to name your courses in a way that's easy to understand and write descriptions using strong copy and keywords to strengthen your SEO or search engine optimization. Once you're done with the description, there's a few other options which we need to set, which I'll go over in detail in a later video. For now, just set the data collection rule as non-accredited course, then set the status as enabled and visible online. Finally, hit save and you're done. In a few minutes' time, your course will appear on your website and you're ready to move on to the next step.